Yo, what's going on, guys? Chris with Edge Body here for another exercise move that you can do the next time that you're in the gym. It's gonna be a man maker exercise. A lot of upper body, a little bit of core, a little bit of legs. This is how you set it up. First things first, grab a couple of dumbbells, put them down on the floor. Medium-sized weight's gonna be cool, as heavy as you can load it. Start out, hands on the dumbbell. You're gonna pull one arm up for a renegade row on the right side. Lower it back down, renegade row on the left side. After you row one time with each arm, perform one push-up, hold for 1 second on the bottom, explode back up. After your push-up, hop or step in, feet flat on the floor. I like to sometimes bring my arms inside my thighs, come straight up, curl, and then press out. Squatting back down at the end to get right back to your renegade row position. And there you have it, guys. Very simple exercise that's gonna reap a lot of benefits. Maybe you're gonna do this on your own, 1 minute on, 1 minute off for 10 rounds. Maybe you're gonna do it at the end of your exercise or at the end of your workout. However it fits into your workout schedule is gonna be best for you. But give it a shot, quality reps over the clock, and let me know what you think. Peace.